I love digital marketing. I absolutely love this business. Now, the road has never been easy for me. It has been hilly. I've hit walls. I've fallen on my face, but I truly understand it. And it is my mission to help you understand it too. One of the biggest challenges when it comes to this business is honestly doing the work. I think a lot of people have a lot of excuses of, I don't have time, or I have a job, whatever their excuse is. Those are excuses, but this is what it comes down to. People do not want to put in the work. I am looking for 12 rock stars, and that may be you. It probably is you. I have found an incredible income opportunity, incredible. Unfortunately, I can't discuss it here, but I would love to chat with you more about this. If you are interested in changing your life and building a business online using your phone and earning money that is life-changing, I want you to reach out to me. I want you to email me at info@dspur.com. You can look at my profile to know how to spell my name. This is so mind-blowing. The whole digital marketing world is mind-blowing. I can't even believe how much money I've made just since May of 2023 because I didn't quit. But I came across this income opportunity that I am overwhelmed with and ecstatic and excited and just mind blown. So if you have always been on the fence, maybe you're a digital marketer and just you're like me and you bought multiple courses and things just aren't working out. I want to talk to you. I want to have a conversation with you. So don't be afraid to email me. I will get on the phone with you. I will talk to you and I will find what fits you. So if you are ready to rock this out and you are ready to lock arms with me, comment below or just email me at info@dspur.com and let's chat. Let's change your life.